guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana here. I'm back with a new makeup tutorial, and today, honestly, I did not know what I was going to be doing. Honestly, I didn't know what makeup look I was going to do, but today I just turned the camera on and just start creating. So I created this nice cut crease, detailed cut crease with a burgundy liner and some white liner. The white liner really makes it pop. I'm in love with white liner and glitter and stuff like that. So I know, but maybe y'all tired of me using white liner all the time, but I freaking love it. It's bomb. So I hope you guys enjoyed this liner overload. In my previous videos, I do have another liner on overload makeup tutorial. I will link that in the description box and have it pop up in the cards. If you have trouble with a winged liner, I do have a video on that as well. It's an old video, so if you want to update a video, please let me know. I will link that in the description box as well. Have it pop up in the cards. Without further ado, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload, because I don't want y'all missing nothing. Okay, don't forget to check out my last video. I did a Q&A with my mom on relationship and life events, situations, and she answers all my subscribers' questions. So I would definitely link that in the description box. I have it pop in the cards. And if you want a part 2 to that, please go to that video and comment that you want a part 2, and we will make it happen. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get into this video. I'm gonna be using Morphe palettes. So I have I have the 3502 palette here, and then I have the 35M palette right here. So that's the only two palettes we're gonna be using today. But we're gonna start with, I'm gonna go in first with some concealer. Prime with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep, and we're gonna just blend that out real quick. This is called Fired Up, so I'm gonna go in with Fired Up right here. I love this orange shade. This orange actually shows up exactly how it looks in the pan, and I freaking love it. I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray number 6 brush. I think it's 6, or is it 9? I'm not really sure. I think it's 6. Like, we're gonna just pack that on there like real good, real freaking good, because it's super pigmented. And then we're gonna just start to blend it. We're gonna go in with the 3502 palette. We're gonna go in with Heat right here just to deepen up the crease. So I'm gonna go back in with the It's My Ray brush and go back into the orange shade, and I'm gonna just, you know, like blend all that together so they can be one big happy family. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild concealer because it's lighter and it makes it look more crispier. So that's what I'm gonna use today for the crease, because it's lighter. This is in the shade, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Deep Tan. Is being that I like cut the crease a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with a Q-tip. Oh, my back. I'm gonna go in with a Q-tip. This is a new trick that I learned. It's the best ever. I'm going to go with a Q-tip, and I'm gonna just wet that Q-tip up. I'm gonna wet the Q-tip, and then I'm gonna go over where I put that concealer. It looks weird, but trust the process. I'm gonna go in with Fire. I think this is called Fire. Yes, I'm gonna go in with Fire right here. Y'all know this is my favorite freaking shade in this palette, so I'm gonna go in with Fire right here, and I'm gonna just basically carve out my crease with that shade, and I'm gonna just go over the crease. We're gonna go back into the 35M palette, and we're gonna take this brown shade right here. This is called Talk Dirty. So we're gonna go in with this brown shade right here. And we are going to do the crease, honey. We're going to deepen up that crease and we're going to make it sharp as we want to be. This is how you make it sharp as you want to be. See how you just deepen that up right there, and it just really like makes it look so freaking clean. Now I'm gonna go in with like a small brush that has really nothing on it, just to blend everything out. I'm just gonna drag it across, drag it on through. I know y'all can't see, but I'm just dragging it just so you can see how I'm blending out all the colors. So I'm gonna go in with the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette. This palette has like the best nude shade that don't crease on me too much. So that's why I always go into this palette every time I want to just do a nude shade on my crease. I mean, sorry, on my lid. So we're going to just pat that on there. Now we're gonna move on to eyeliner. You see I have a burgundy eyeline. I use lipstick. If you don't have the color and you got the lipstick, I got you. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with some white liner. I'm gonna clean up my liner because it's not as sharp as this one. So I'm gonna just go in with my concealer brush and I'm gonna just put a little bit of concealer on there. You don't have to put a lot because you have to blend it out anyway. So I'm gonna just basically just run it. Ooh, just run it across here just to make it as sharp as possible. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Cosmetics matte oil control lotion, prep in a blur stick, because this is what I like. I need to moisturize these lips because when it's a time to apply lip stuff, it's not gonna be cute.